Hi, I'm Heather Dawn of bodymuse.com, and today we're going to get into a few stretches to help heal your lower back. Sitting at a desk all day long can be real bad for the back, tightening the hamstrings, tightening the psoas muscle, weakening the glutes, or on the other side of that, repetitive motions, if you're really active, can also really tighten the lower back. These stretches may help you. So come to your mat, grab straps, a block. If you don't have these things, improvise, books, clothing, towels, all make for great replacements when you don't have the stuff. Also, you could also be near a wall. That'll help too when we get to the section where we're gonna elevate our legs. So, on your back, supine hamstring stretch, extend the leg, flex the foot, hook the strap, get the foot in a nice dorsiflex position. Make sure your upper arm bones are comfortably rested to the floor and there's no tension in the head, neck. Breathe. Anywhere from 2 minutes, 3 minutes. You don't have to force it, right? Everything should be based upon your ability to breathe deeply and easily. I have my left leg bent because it's less pressure for the lower back. You do have the option of extending the leg. You'll do both sides. Lift the legs. Grab a hold of your kneecaps, gently roll out the back, making some circles all around that sacrum bone. Feels real nice. You'll do both directions. And then inhale, exhale, take it into a twist. Bring that right hip to the floor, stack one leg bone on top of the other, free up the left arm. Now, I'm only doing one side in these videos, but make sure that you do both. And again, no force. People love to really try to get that shoulder blade into the floor and they get into this struggle in a lot of these postures. It's really about holding still and then breathing deeply. We want to get the muscles to relax, not contract. 2 to 3 minutes. Then, cross your right ankle on top of the left thigh, pushing that ankle into the thigh, raise your legs. This will get us into some of the external rotators, the glute, all around that right hip. Lift the legs, thread one hand between those two legs, interlace the fingers at the hamstrings. You do have the option of using your straps or towel here. You want to make sure again that the upper back and the neck is relaxed. The alternative to this would also be to do pigeon. If you have knee injuries, pigeon is not for you. You'll go onto the back and thread the needle like we just did. Bring that right knee to the right wrist, slide that left leg all the way back, relax and forward fold. You can put blocks or bolsters or other things underneath the right hip, which sometimes will help, but again, there should be no knee pain. If there is, you want to come onto the back and do what we did originally, crossing the ankle. Okay. Drawing in, pushing that ankle into the leg, thread the hands, or use your straps. 2 to 3 minutes, both sides. Flipping onto your belly, Sphinx. Think about elongating the spine here. The pubic bone is into the floor. We're lengthening. Tailbone draws down towards the heels. Don't jack back the neck. Breathe. Try not to overutilize your glutes. Try to relax that pelvis. Elongate the spine. Elongate the legs. Release the groin muscle. If there's a lot of pain here, you can try lowering your Sphinx, widening the legs. If that still doesn't work and this posture is just causing you pain, don't do it. It's just not worth it. This is more about strengthening and opening the belly. Last but not least, my favorite thing to do when you're having lower back pain. Elevate your legs. Use the block, medium height, small height, tall height. I always recommend medium to small here. Slide it underneath your sacrum bone. Legs come up, You can crisscross and relax them. You can extend them to the sky. What you want to make sure is that you're not allowing the legs to tilt forward. If you do, you're putting strain on that back. Tilt a little bit towards you and breathe. Complete relaxation. The other option is to slide up against the wall, put your tush up against it, let your legs hang up on the wall. Hopefully some of these will help your lower back tightness and pain.